Hey everyone, so in this video we'll go over the process of how you can create a homepage. Now there are a number of variations for the homepage, so we'll just go through some of the basics so you can start your customizations. First of all, head on over to Pages and click on Add New to create a new page for your website. Let's just title this as New Homepage. Okay. So we've selected the home page, and let's just go ahead and publish it. This will be our home page. Now what we need to do is make several adjustments and customizations to it, because if we just click on View Page, we'll see that there's really nothing here at all that may reflect a home page. So one thing that you may want to consider is possibly adding a slideshow to the home page. So just simply select a slideshow here and click on this update button. Go back here, refresh the page, and here we already have a home page. Next off, you want to remove this home page title and you want to remove the commenting area. So we'll just scroll further down, disable this title, and we'll click on Screen Options. Click on this discussions icon, and we'll disable these discussions as well. Okay, so let's click on update again. Go back to this page, refresh it. Alright, so now we have our logo, we have an image slider, and we pretty much have a somewhat of a home page already. Good to go. Okay, so we've added the home page. Now we can add additional content to it. Now for the home page, what you can do is select various options here in terms of layout. You can have a sidebar if that is required. I prefer to leave it at full width. Next off, you can select a template for the home page. Now if you want to have recent blog posts or gallery posts, you can always do that. So for example, if I want to have latest galleries, I'll just select all of my latest galleries. I'll select my viewing options. I'll select a featured area. I can add content above my footer by just selecting the latest blog posts or latest video posts or latest portfolio posts, whichever one of these works. So I'll just type in here my portfolio. Okay, number of posts, I'll leave it at 4. And I'll leave 2 articles per row. Alright, so I've done that. Now let's go ahead and click on update, refresh this page. Alright, so we have our image slider still, we have all of our galleries, and then we have some portfolios here, which I've added. So this gives us more flexibility. This makes our homepage look more alive and interactive. So that's just something you want to work with and create the homepage. Now once you've made all of the settings, once you've done all of the adjustments, so what's very important for you to do is head on over to Settings and then click on Reading. Okay, now to have the option where your users click on the logo and they go to your home page, what you'll need to do is make sure that within the readings area, your home page is selected to, or the front page is selected to the home page that you've created. So our page is new home page. Okay, so let's click on Save Changes. Go back here, click on this logo again. And voila, our home page is changed. We'll have a different layout, different structure to it. So these are just some basics of how to create your home page, how to customize it, and so forth. Some additional settings can be done by going over to Monde and just click on Header Settings. And now we have the ability to select the type of logo and navigation menu we want to have. So currently we have this option selected. We can select this option if necessary. There are several other options for the home page, for example, like having a full screen home page only, or a full screen on all website pages. So yeah, these are just some options that you have to play around with the homepage, and we do hope this video helps. But one thing you need to remember when setting up a homepage, be sure that you head on over to settings, go to readings, and select the front page as your homepage.